Oh my God,
Maybe if you stop being racist for a second and listen.
I'm not being racist. I'm afraid for my life, dude.
Why? Because you're being racist. Because you are being racist.
Why are you behind me, sir? You ready to take me down?
You're making this more. Come on.
On July 17th, 2025, at 11:17 p.m., a Midwest safety video captured a traffic stop for a driver speeding at 71 miles per hour that instantly derailed when the officer smelled alcohol.
Good evening, I'm Officer Flink, Palm Beach Gardens. The reason I pulled you over is you're going 71 miles an hour.
Oh.
Do you have your license, registration, insurance?
I'm so sorry, sir. Oh.
Where you ladies come from tonight?
I gotta go to the bathroom so bad it hurts. Oh my God, it hurts so bad. Oops, wrong thing. I'm sorry.
All right, give me 1 second.
Hi.
Hey. Make sure you're not under the influence, okay?
Oh, I'm not under the influence, but I'm scared. Yes, sir.
If you want to get a step out of me real quick, I want to make sure you're all set to drive. We'll have you on your way home, okay?
What do you mean set to drive, sir?
Make sure you're not under the influence, okay?
Oh, I'm not under the influence, but I'm scared right now. So why would you think I'm under the influence, sir? He's looking in my purse.
I'm not. So I can smell it, I can see it, and...
You see it? And smell what?
Well, your speech is slurred, your eyes are watery, I can smell it coming out of the car.
Literally, right now. No, calm down. We're gonna record it.
So if you are going to step out, we'll make sure you're all set and we'll have you on your way home, okay?
You say...
We're recording it too. We got 2 cameras and the one on the car.
You can see and smell alcohol on me.
I already told you that. Come on out, man. If you're all right to drive, you'll be on your way home. There'll be no problem.
Exactly, but what are you trying to do to me right now?
I'm trying to make sure you're all set to drive, that you're not driving under the influence, just like I told you before.
Okay, could you call Junior somebody to come here? I'm
No,
scared
don't
right
call
now.
anybody to come here right now.
No, I'm calling my little brother, and I have the right to do that.
Tell them to keep their distance.
All right, I'm scared too that you're not getting out of the car, so go ahead and step out, please, okay?
I'm turning on the light. My hands are up. I know I'm black. My hands are up. I'm a woman. I'm not a threat.
I know I'm a police officer, and I don't know why you're acting like that.
Hold on.
Nobody's hands are on their guns, so please go ahead and step out.
My hands are on the wheel. I don't
Yeah,
have
we can see that. Our hands are up too. Let's go. Please step out, man.
Wait.
Please come on out.
I'll come out.
You're not doing it,
Please
though.
don't touch
You're not
me.
doing it.
I'm just afraid. I'm just
Let's
trying
go.
to turn it
Come on
around.
out.
Put this on me.
You've already got 2 cameras on you. Go ahead and step out. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Come on back over here.
Where do you want me to go?
Where my finger's pointing. Do you see my
Okay.
finger? Do you see where it's pointing?
Oh my God.
Please
This
go
is
ahead and
not
stand
happening.
over there.
Oh my
right
God,
over here.
please don't say this is happening.
Okay, do you have any medical condition with your eyes not corrected by
I do not have
glasses?
any medical condition at all. Oh my God.
Okay, are you able to walk a straight line?
I can walk
Why are you
whenever
acting
you
like
want.
this?
I'm because you white, I'm black. I don't want
So
to
you're
get killed.
racist. So why are you being racist? Why are you being racist?
My husband
Where are you
is
going?
white. My husband is
Stop.
white.
Stop
Come
now.
on over here. Stop doing that.
Okay,
Stop acting like
I
this.
did.
You're
I'm
acting like a
afraid.
child.
I'm afraid. I don't know what to do.
Stop going
What
over
do you- I
here.
just walked
You
the
need to
line.
listen.
My hands are
No.
up. I have
Did
no
I tell you
weapons.
to walk
I
it?
promise you I don't have anything,
What
sir.
is your name?
Oh my God.
name?
Oh my God.
Why
I
are you
walked
not
the right
listening?
line.
Why are you not
I
listening?
walked the
Why
right
are you
straight
not listening?
line. I walked the straight line.
Go ahead and stand right here for me. Bring your feet
Oh
together,
my
hands
God.
at your sides.
Oh my God. I have no weapons. Please. I had to go
Right,
to
you're
the
not
potty
listening
really
either.
bad. I had
You're
to
not
go to the
listening.
potty
Are you
really,
listening?
really bad.
Are you listening
I had
right
to go
now?
to the potty really
Are
bad.
you listening?
You told me
Stand
to
right
stay
here.
right here.
No, I told
oh
you to
my
stand
God,
right
you
here.
said, well, I gotta come so close to you. I'm afraid to come close to you.
I suspect
Oh
that
my
you're
God,
driving under.
something's gonna
Stop
happen.
talking.
Oh my God.
Stop talking.
I don't want to die.
You're not listening.
I don't want to die.
You get back in the car.
Sir,
You're
I
not
don't
listening.
wanna
You get back in the
die.
car.
I don't want to die.
Why are you acting like a child?
Get back in the car.
That's my twin sister.
Get back in the car. We're trying to deal with it.
That's my
Listen.
twin. No, don't tell me to get back in the car.
I will tell you to get back in the car because you're interfering with our investigation.
You're not
Get in the car.
gonna talk to me.
Why are you acting like a
I
child?
don't want to die.
Stop acting like a
walked
child.
up straight
You get out of the car again, you're going to jail for resisting obstruction.
I'm
You
not
understand?
resisting.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, first of all, you were speeding, and I want you to stop
I gotta
talking.
go to the potty so bad. Please, my
Ma'am,
hands
I want
are
you to
up.
stop talking.
My hands are up. What do you want me to do?
To stop
What
talking.
do you want me to
Stop
do?
talking.
Oh my God.
Stop talking. Lower your hands.
Put your hands down. Follow instructions.
your
I'm
hands.
scared. I don't have no weapons. I'm
Okay,
defensive.
time out. You need to listen right now,
Oh my
okay?
God.
You're
I
being
wanna
advised
die
of your
today.
Taylor warnings. If you do
I
not
wanna die
cooperate and
today. Oh my
participate in these
God.
exercises, you are not going to dispel my concern that you're driving under the influence of alcohol,
walked
chemical,
a straight
or controlled
line like you
substance.
asked me
I did not
to.
tell you to walk a straight line.
You told me to walk a straight
No,
line.
I asked you if you could walk a straight
I
line.
could.
Next, your inaction to
hands are
participate
up.
in these exercises will force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances as I know them to this point, and it will be used against you in court. Are you willing to do these
I
exercises?
don't know
Yes
what you
or no?
said. I'm so afraid right now.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you
My
one more
hands are
time. Not doing these exercises is going to force me to make an
Oh my
arrest based on the
God.
totality of the circumstances, and it will be used against you in a court of law. Are you willing to do these
Whatever
exercises?
exercises, sir.
Okay.
Just don't kill me,
So
please.
place your hands down at your sides.
I'm scared.
Place
I
your
don't have
hands
no
down at your
weapons.
sides.
Why? I want to let
Maybe
you
she
know I
doesn't
have no
understand
weapons.
because she is under the influence. Because
I
you
am
told her
not
she can-
under the influence,
Then put your
ma'am.
hands down at your side.
Why
and
do I have
listen
to?
what
I'm
he's saying.
afraid. I don't want him to think I got weapons.
There's
I don't
three
have
of
no
us here.
weapons,
Did
sir.
anybody say you had a weapon?
Oh my God, I'm afraid.
The interaction dissolved into an arrest after the driver flatly refused to exit her car or perform field sobriety tests, prompting a supervisor to respond to the scene to address her claims of mistreatment.
My hands are up. I have nothing.
Ma'am, listen to me. Listen to me.
Ma'am, you accused me of drinking. I know.
She didn't accuse you of anything.
She said she must be under influence. Exercise you want me to do? What exercise you want me to do?
I want you to stand right here.
Okay, what do
so
you
bring
want
your
me to
feet
do?
together,
What do you
hands
want?
at your sides. Hands at your sides.
Oh my God.
Hands at your sides.
I don't have any
hands
weapons,
at your
sir.
sides.
I don't
Nobody
have
said
any
you have a
weapons.
weapon.
I have nothing.
You see the top of this pen.
Oh my God.
Lower your hands to your sides.
Morale, did you call for help?
Lower your help is here.
I hope. No, you're not my
You
help.
see the top of this pen?
Oh my God.
Maybe if you stop being racist for a second and
I'm
listen.
not being racist. I'm afraid for my life, dude.
Why? Because you're being racist. Because you are being
Why are
racist.
you behind me, sir? You ready to take me down?
You're making
gonna
this
follow
more.
this?
Come
I
on.
don't want to die. I didn't do nothing. I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to die tonight. I don't want to die. I promise you I didn't do
10:15.
nothing.
10:15.
Oh
You're
my
under
God.
arrest for driving under the influence
Oh,
of alcohol,
I'm
chemical, or
not.
controlled substance.
I'm under arrest for what?
Because you failed. He told you a couple times.
No, I'm so
You failed.
afraid.
Well, you shouldn't have been.
No,
There's no
listen.
need.
Oh my God. Real, I
You
got
don't even have tears, ma'am. You don't even have tears.
It's all in
Just
that.
saying
She's being
that.
racist out here. Sure, you
I
sure
need
can.
supervisor.
I will call the
I need
supervisor for you.
supervisor.
Draft 13, may I have a supervisor. Individual is not happy with my police service.
Morale, come get my drink. Oh, she threw my stuff on the ground.
Right
She threw
there.
my stuff on the ground.
Yes.
What did my sister do? What did
Taking it off gently.
What is
no need to
going
yell
on?
like that.
I'm
Please
so
don't.
afraid.
One
my sister
bracelet.
do?
I want to be safe.
You're the safest person in the city. You have police officers with you.
No, sir. No, it's too much going on. I don't. What are you doing?
Is this connected?
My God,
Stop.
are you
Is it
taking
sewn
my
in?
wig off? It is.
Sewn in? Then you'll take it off at the counter.
Oh, I'm being arrested.
You are being arrested because you didn't participate in the exercise.
Sir, I walked a straight line.
My sister do?
Right now she's under arrest for suspicion of DUI.
OMG. I gotta pee so bad. I was drinking a lot of water. I had sparkling water.
Okay, then you should have done the exercises. You would
Oh
have had
my
no problem.
God.
Why?
I just want to confirm, you just took a necklace?
That's my twin sister.
Okay,
She didn't,
okay. And here's a bracelet.
she didn't do anything.
So I have to make sure you don't hurt my officers.
I'm in cuffs. How am I hurt an officer?
I don't
I'm in
know.
cuffs, ma'am.
I need to also
I
make sure
cannot
it's
hurt
not
somebody. I don't want to get hurt. I am pissed.
How can you do all that and not have tears? That's what's interesting to
Sir, I just don't want to get hurt,
me. You
dude.
acted like a child the whole time. That's why you're under
How?
arrest.
A child don't. I don't want to get hurt. Morale, look in my wallet. I have my attorney in the wallet. Please call my attorney right now.
No.
No, stay in
Morale,
the car.
just call the attorney, please. Please don't break that, ma'am.
Okay, well, all she had to
We
do
were just going home.
Ma'am, can I speak? I'm talking to you calmly and respectfully, okay?
I'm a 45-year-old woman. I'm not an idiot. And I'm an educated woman. So don't talk to me like I'm an idiot.
I'm a 40-year-old man, and I'm talking to you.
I didn't. I've been taking very much care of your
Thank
items.
you. Morale, please call my attorney right now.
The same respect that I get from you.
So
Okay.
please don't talk to me like
Age has-
I'm dumb.
I'm not.
Because I'm very, very smart.
Right, I'm trying to explain to you the process on what's happening.
Sergeant Leffler, for transparency purposes, this discussion is going to occur on body-worn camera, sir. Okay. I pulled this vehicle over because I observed it traveling 71 miles an hour in the outside through lane. The vehicle slow rolled to a stop right here. Upon contact, I made contact with that woman in the driver's seat, Miss identified by Florida driver's license photo. I noticed that she had glassy eyes, slurred speech. I detected the odor of an unknown alcoholic beverage coming off of her breath. Gathered her information, went back, conducted my records check, waited for 94 to arrive so I could resume my investigation. Asked her to exit the vehicle. She starts pulling out the phone. She gave me a little bit more of a hard time going back and forth with me about getting out of the vehicle. Finally, she exited the vehicle on her own accord. I tried to ask her if she had any medical conditions which would affect any of the exercises performed. She started yelling, walking with her hands up, saying that she was scared. I asked if she could walk a straight line. She proceeded to start walking down the white fog line without being told to do so. I then got her to about where she's standing with Officer Rigney over there. She stood like this with her hands up. I kept telling her, please lower your hands. She kept saying she doesn't have a weapon. At no point was a weapon drawn on her. At no point was my hand on my gun. At no point was she accused of having a firearm or any kind of weapon that would harm us. She kept saying she was scared. I attempted at least 2 times to advise her of her Taylor warnings, to which she kept yelling and talking over me.
Why my sister being
I'm trying to explain that to you, but you
And
keep
she's
cutting
like
me
less than 5 minutes away.
It doesn't matter how far.
Then she said she was willing to do whatever that we needed to do, but kept her arms in the air and would not approach me because the HGN has to be conducted within 12 to 18 inches away from the person.
We've arrested people in their driveway before.
What did she do wrong?
Well, she was speeding, and we believe she may be under the influence. I'm going to be honest with you, attorney's not going to be able to do anything at this point. All right, what's going to happen is she's going to be transported to the Palm Beach County Jail, where she'll be released after 8 hours from right now.
I held the stimulus device in front of her face. She would not look at it, would not participate. She was instantly placed under arrest, and you can hear her over there still hollering. She requested for a supervisor. Okay.
Okay. All she had to do, and if she wasn't intoxicated or impaired,
Well, how do you know she was intoxicated? Because of something you believe?
Because
That's a belief. That's not true.
it's because of whatever Officer Flink saw. He's the DUI officer. He's the one that pulled you guys over.
That's where we're at.
So you're making an arrest based on your observations and her refusals to
Yes, sir. She did not dispel my concern that she was driving under the influence, and I tried to explain that to her. However, she kept talking over me.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Leffler.
Supervisor.
What can I do for you?
Sir, he pulled me over. He accused me of being intoxicated, and he could feel smell alcohol or whatever, I have to go to the bathroom really bad, and I was speeding. I never denied that because I was trying to go to the ladies' room, okay? And I say, sir, I got my hands up. I'm touching the wheel. I'm not doing anything. He said, come out and walk a straight line. I walked this straight line with no problem. For what? I don't know. I've never been in trouble. You check my thing. I don't want to die tonight. That's all I told him. I got out. I walked this straight line. Now I'm in handcuffs.
All right, well, there's a series of tasks that he has to ask you to perform.
I don't mind. I had my hands up because I was afraid to let him know I have no weapons or anything.
One of the major things of those tasks is listening to instructions. It's one of the major points of it.
I'm trying to understand why I'm being detained, sir.
Suspicion of DUI.
Suspicion of DUI? I don't have any DUI.
Sir, when I came up, she was yelling. He was trying to give her the instructions. She just kept
I
yelling.
said, I want to make sure I don't die, I don't get hurt. Please, sir.
For what it's worth, calling an attorney right now is not going to do anything. She's getting released in 8 hours regardless. An attorney's not getting out.
She don't need to be.
You do you.
Please, I will listen to anything he do. Ma'am, I'm not going to run at all.
Are you done,
I don't
sir?
need to. What do you want me to do?
We're going this way.
I'm complying, ma'am.
Okay, you're
Please
gonna
don't
go in
hurt
here.
me. Please don't hurt me.
Turn
I'm
around.
complying.
It's better that you put your.
I'm
watch your
complying.
head. Watch your
Okay,
head.
I'm complying. Please
Put
don't
your-
hurt me.
watch your head.
Please don't hurt me. I'm complying. I'm totally complying.
I understand.
I can't believe I'm being arrested. I'm 45 years old being arrested for what?
Driving under the influence.
I'm not under the influence. Can I get a drug test? Can I get an alcohol test or something?
All that at the.
Do the test. It's not going to say I'm under the influence at all.
That will be explained to you down there. Officer Flink will explain everything to you, okay?
When I came up, the officer, the DUI officer, was trying to give her instructions and gave her tailored warnings and kept trying to explain to her, listen, if you don't do this, I have to go on what I have. She refused. She was given the tailored warnings twice. It's basically saying, in summary, we're going to take you on what we have right now if you're refusing to do these tasks to show. And she just didn't listen. She just literally just kept screaming and don't get near me and you don't get near me and I'm afraid. And so
Everything we do is standardized.
Yeah, but
she'll be able to.
no, I'm just asking.
She'll be able to call you when everything's set. The first part of it, she will be given the breathalyzer, which she kept saying she wanted to take. If she wants to take a drug or alcohol, she can do that at her own expense for the blood.
Following the arrest on July 17, 2025, the driver was transported to the County Detention Center for formal booking and chemical testing. Her late-night claims of mistreatment and racism were formally documented alongside the supervisor's on-scene response, which confirmed that the responding officers had maintained strict professionalism throughout the escalating interaction. In court, the body camera footage proved central to the prosecution's case, clearly showing the driver's slurred speech, watery eyes, and her persistent refusal to step out of the vehicle or participate in standardized field sobriety exercises. The judge noted that the initial radar reading of 71 miles per hour established an absolute legal basis for the traffic stop, and her subsequent non-compliance did not absolve her of the DUI investigation. Ultimately, she was convicted of driving under the influence and obstructing a law enforcement officer. She was sentenced to 12 months of probation, ordered to pay substantial court fines, and handed a mandatory 6-month driver's license suspension. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.